Hi, I'm Ann Myrick, and today we're going to work with storage solutions for any room. We are in a bedroom today, in a little girl's bedroom, and one of the big things is just finding great containers that work for the area and work for the person, the child, whoever you're working with. I love using finding interesting containers from flea market and from garage sales, because you can have all types of stuff in a container, and if the container is really different and interesting and unique, then it just makes it that much better and interesting. There are so many different things that you can find out there just in discount stores and retail stores. This is a bookcase that is a darling bookcase, and it doesn't look bad, but we could brighten it up and make it so much more useful. So what I'm going to do is show you just some different ways, some different thoughts on how you can organize with different storage units. These are just little canvas boxes that you can get at a discount shop or a little retail store, and they look darling. I'm going to turn the handle around. And they look darling just in the bookshelf. So what you can do is one shelf or one basket could have all of her books in it. And the other basket can have her little purses and cords. And then she has several little boxes like this that are great, but then she can put them all, even if you have many of these, they can become very cluttery, and so you can put all these little things in here. In addition to these colorful baskets, you could just, around the house, you probably have plenty of containers, great metal buckets, big, huge baskets. You can find great boxes that are specifically for putting under the bed. So you can go to retail stores, discount stores, and just look around at all their storage units to see what works for you. This is Ann Myrick, and those are storage solutions for any room.